Yeah. Hey, good Friday evening, YouTube. Part 3. My nephew Scott just showed up to work on the 1988 F-150. We're going to have a few beers, have some pizza, and watch Mark or Scott go to work here.
We're going to use a little Griot's Garage complete compound.
Yeah.
See how it does.
And Scott says he's going to rub this so fine that the original factory invoice is going to appear on the window.
Maybe even the mirror will straighten out.
Ah, there you go. So we'll see you in a bit. What do you think of that, Uncle Mark?
I like it.
Tell you what, I'm already liking that difference in the shine. Look at that. Alright guys, Scott has about the whole back box done. What a difference in the shine on that. Of course you still got your paint chips, but that's the character. The character. Look at the oxidation. Right there, it's all gone. Shined up. Moving along. Alright guys, the drunker we get, the better this looks. Uncle Mark's working on the old decal. Scott's working on the front. Quite a difference in the shine. Quite a difference. Worst part's going to be raising that door. It's like 9 degrees out. We got to pull this in the other way, but we're moving along. Well, Scott's got about half a side done here. Boy, that hood really looks good. He really cleaned that up. Got half of it done, but got most of that decal off. What a difference in shine. Alright, we're about as far as we can go on this side, but we're getting ready to pull it out into the 9-degree weather and get it back in here real quick where the heat's on. But what a difference. You can see the difference over there. See where the difference between the shine and the oxidation? Looking good. Got the roof to do. But that hood turned out really good. So we'll be back. Passenger side. Here we go. It's already shining up.
Contrary to what you believe, this will not buff out.
Yeah, I didn't think so. That's just a character mark back there. There's a difference in that hood and on top again. Going up there to do the roof. We're getting close. Look at the shine on that old girl. Do that little dance again. That's right. Get her done. That's the buffing dance. Alright guys, there you go. It took a few watching. But that truck looks nice. I can't wait to get it out in the sun tomorrow. And we'll do our final walk around on it. But even the tailgate, you know, it's beat up a little bit on the bottom, but I got new inlays coming for it. But I think my buddy Scott did a real nice job. What a difference. See you tomorrow.